bonny Maggie Lauder. A piper met her going to Fife, asked what it was they called her. Right scornfully she answered him, Begone, you rascal beggar. Get on your way, you fool, I say, my name is Maggie Lauder. Maggie, says he, it's by my bags, I'm awfully keen to see thee. Sit down to me, my bonny bird, I swear I'll not deceive thee. For I'm a piper to my trade, my name is Rob the Ranter. And the lasses sleep as they were mad when I blow up my chanter. Piper, says she, have ye your bags, or is your drone in order? If ye be Rob, I've heard of ye, live ye upon the border. The lasses all both far and near have heard of Rob the Ranter. I'll shake my foot with right good will if you blow up your chanter. And to his bags he flew with speed, about the drone he twisted, Meg up and walloped o'er the green, for blithely could she frisk it. Well done, says he, play up, says she, well pop, says Rob the Ranter. 'Tis worth my while to play indeed, when I have such a dancer. Oh, well, you played your part, says Meg, your cheeks they shine like crimson. There's none in Scotland play so well since we lost Habby Simpson. I've lived in Fife, both maid and wife, for 10 years and a quarter. When next you come to Anster Fair, just ask for Maggie Lauder.